Hey everyone, it's Zach with Slush Plus. Today we're going over the Taylor 428 frozen drink machine. This machine, great for frozen cocktails, slushies, shakes. This is the next size up from the Taylor 430. The 430 is Taylor's smallest model. The 428, next size larger. It's the largest machine with the highest capacity you can get from Taylor on a 110 volt circuit. Great machine, has some more features than the 430. It's got a 20 quart hopper. 7-quart cylinder, can serve a lot of drinks real quick. Today we're going to do some testing with some alcoholic beverages, just so you can see how quickly you can serve out of the 428. Before we get to that, a couple features that the 428 has that are nice. It's got a standby feature here with this switch. On the left is freeze mode. You can put it to the right for standby, and what that'll do is it'll keep your mix chilled overnight. It'll save on your electric bill. It'll keep the mix fresh, so great option there. You don't have to empty it every night when you close. The other thing that the Taylor 428 has is a lighted flavor sign, so you can turn that on. You can put some branding, you can put a decal here, go to attract customers, order more drinks for you. And that's just a switch here that you can turn off. And then I'll show you here on the side, it also has a removable air filter to keep the condenser clean while it's running. All right, so we're here on the side of the machine. It's got a removable air filter. This is a reusable filter, so you don't have to replace this. It's made of sturdy metal. So this just slides out, and you can go ahead and blow this out with some compressed air. You can clean this in the sink. It's also dishwasher safe. So this is nice, keeps all the dust and dirt out of your condenser, which helps to keep your machine running properly and freezing correctly. The 428 also has add mix and mix out lights on it. The add mix will flash red to let you know that it's time to fill the hopper. The mix out will flash red when the hopper's empty, and it will shut the machine down to prevent damage, because if you were to run the machine when this part is empty, it can freeze up and it can cause damage to the motor. So the machine will automatically shut off if that happens, and it'll let you know to go ahead and add mix. So nice safety feature there. The Taylor 428, just like all Taylor frozen beverage machines, uses a very simple viscosity adjustment. As the mix gets thicker, it will push this bar to the right and click a switch to let it know that it's frozen. And in order to adjust that, you would just take a flathead screwdriver. I'll show you how that works. And you can go ahead and turn a little screw in here. Turning it to the right will increase the thickness, and turning it to the left will decrease the thickness. So really easy there, very easy adjustment. And you would only really need to adjust that if you change the mix. Otherwise, you can just leave it and it'll hold its position and keep the same viscosity for you. All right, so today for our testing, we have this loaded with our Pina Colada. That's our bottle of Slush Plus brand Pina Colada mix, 8 quarts of water, and then we did use 2 liters of rum. So we'll be able to see how many alcoholic drinks we can get at one time. The 428 is rated for about 100 to 150 servings per hour, depending on the size cup you serve. But we're going to do a stress test here, see how many we can get in a row before it gets soupy. When we did the 430 testing, the smaller model, we used 9-ounce cups, and we got about 4 servings before it started to get a little liquid. So today we're going to use 16-ounce cups since it's a larger machine, and we'll see how many servings we can get before it starts to get liquid. This froze up from room temp in about 17 minutes, and when the machine is frozen, it will shut off, and then it will turn back on automatically when you pull the handle. So we'll do some servings and see how it does. All right, so as you can see here, we got that add mix light that had come on. That's letting us know that the hopper was starting to get empty. So a great feature on these. We did serve a lot, and we hadn't loaded it with too much, so that did come on. We got about 5 servings. The 6th one was a little loose. So as you can see, really high capacity machine here. We got about 5 16-ounce cups. If you were to serve that many for a large party or something like that, you would just have to give it a couple more minutes and then it would freeze right up real fast. And again, this froze from about from room temp in about 17 minutes. So real quick recovery time. And if you were to space these out, again, you can get about 100 to 150 servings an hour depending on the size of cup you use without having to wait for it to refreeze, as long as you keep that hopper full. All right, so that's the Taylor 428. Great machine, very reliable, very high output. Great for slushies, for frozen cocktails with alcohol, for shakes. Just a really all-around great machine if you're looking to serve frozen in your restaurant or bar. So if you are interested in a 428 or any other refurbished Taylor frozen drink machines or any frozen drink machines in general, I got a lot of great available brands. Check us out on slushplus.com. Give us a call or email if you have any questions. Have a great day.